Welcome to our MediaViz AI app tutorial video series. In this video, we'll start by walking through our sign-up process so you can get access to the app and start making the most out of your media. Signing up is simple. Fill in your first and last name and your company name. Company name is optional here. You can also see helpful hints along the way, like the ones in the bottom right of the screen. Before you move on to the next step, you'll need to agree to the privacy policy and terms and conditions. You'll need to scroll through the terms and conditions and click Agree before you move on to the next page. You can also read our privacy policy through the link provided. At MediaViz, we take your privacy seriously. Our privacy policy outlines how we handle your data securely and transparently, so you can feel confident using our app. Reviewing it before signing up ensures you understand how your data is protected and how we prioritize your security every step of the way. Next, you'll type in your business email and choose your password as the last step in the process. Now, we're officially in the app and ready to create your first collection. We'll cover that in an upcoming video.